Hi, my name is Alvin De Torres, 24 years old. I obtained my bachelor degree in International Hospitality Management with specialization in cruise line, operations in culinary arts at the Lyceum of the Philippines University last April 2014. I want to apply for a J1 program because I want to obtain and enhance my knowledge and skills when it comes to cooking methods and cuisines, as well as sharing the Filipino cultures and obtaining and learning the American cultures. I'm a goal-oriented and passionate person. 5 years from now, I see myself as a well-experienced person, specializing in a specific cuisine. And now, I'm going to prepare a tuna sandwich for you. The ingredients that will be needed are mayonnaise, garlic, tuna, salt and pepper, the tomato, cucumber, lettuce, and the bread. First, we have to make the dressing, which is called aioli. Get the mayonnaise, then pinch of minced garlic, then mix it. Mix it well, and then put some pepper, and then salt, then mix it again, and that's the aioli dressing. And now, get the tuna and then mix it with the aioli dressing. Mix it well, and then after mixing it, mix it. Then let's set it aside, and let's now assemble the sandwich. Preheat the pan because we're going to toast the bread first. In a preheated pan, let's put and toast the bread. Okay, let's toast it. Then let it up. Okay, then we will now put the lettuce. Let's put some tomatoes here. Okay. And then the cucumber. Then the other side of the bread, let's toast it a bit. Not too toasted, but a bit. Just make it. Then flip it up. Set it aside. And now let's put the tuna with the aioli sauce. that's it. We have now the tuna sandwich. I look forward to meet you for an interview. Thank you for watching my video.